Welcome. In this video, we will be going over ways TaxSlayer Pro can help you stay educated on tax law changes and earn CE credits at discounted rates. We will be going over our November seminar, IRS Tax Forums, Latino Tax Pro, and Surgent. Every year, TaxSlayer Pro hosts an annual seminar where we go over tax law changes for the upcoming season, product enhancements, security templates and cybersecurity for your office, marketing tips to help grow your business, and tax law changes inside of our program. During this seminar, you are also able to ask our team questions and get live responses. We post the date and pricing information for the annual seminar on our website, and you are able to register with any of our account managers by calling our main line. Additionally, you can attend the annual IRS Tax Forums over the summer. Our website will be updated yearly as we receive more information from the IRS on the forum locations and dates. You can also search for additional information and register for the forums directly on the IRS website. As a loyal TaxSlayer Pro customer, you may already know we offer early bird discounts on renewals starting in March of every year. While you're locking in that discount, my recommendation is to also check our website and see when you can take advantage of the early bird pricing for the IRS tax forums as well. That way, you are killing two birds with one stone. Attending these forums are a great way to stay educated, network with people in the industry, and earn continued education credits. Oh, and I can't forget, you'll have the chance to meet the awesome TaxSlayer Pro team in person and secure some swag to show off. If you're interested in earning CE credits another way, you can log into your account hub, and once you are in, you can go to your partners program, and on this page, you will be able to view all the offers and discount codes we have available to our customers. Latino Tax Pro is a great company that helps tax preparers stay up to date on all of their requirements. Latino Tax Pro has several packages and courses to choose from in both English and Spanish, so there is bound to be something that will fit your specific needs. They also host their annual Latino Tax Fest in Las Vegas, where you can connect with peers and learn about the latest developments in the industry. You can even attend their awesome pool party after a day of classes. For even more information, you can go directly to their website or reach out to their bilingual staff. Another option available to you is Surgent. You can get discounts on income tax school courses, EA and CPA reviews, and continued education packages. Surgent offers a wide variety of courses for CPAs, attorneys, and other tax, accounting, and financial professionals. Their technology can produce a diagnostic report detailing your strengths and weaknesses prior to completing any reviews, and then customize a study plan to match your results. Surgeon professional education would be a huge help to help prepare for a successful tax season. Taking advantage of all of these educational resources can help you provide the highest level of quality service to your customers by getting the knowledge required to prepare like a pro. If you have additional questions, the TaxSlayer Pro team would be happy to assist you or guide you in the right direction. You can email us at sales@taxslayerpro.com or call 888-420-1040. Thanks for watching.